So I run a small YouTube channel called Newson's Electronics, and I have about 16,000 videos, and I mostly have some tech video and things like that. And yesterday, or today rather, I received, uh, I guess yesterday, I received an email saying from Bamboo Labs, and what Bamboo Labs is a 3D printing company, and it says they would give me a gift of a 3D printer, and I thought, that'd be interesting. I could use that and also promote that. So I said, sure. I'm in China. Can you ship it to China? It said, sure, probably no problem. And then they said you can make some money based on how many views you get through this. So it said we'd love to feature the Babu Lab hardware in a sponsored YouTube video, and they would have some sort of compensation. And they gave me this link. So when I clicked on the link, there's Aspire, and I haven't done a sponsored video before. And I thought, okay, maybe that's legit. And I was clicking on a couple of these tabs at the top, and I noticed that they weren't working. So I thought maybe it's to do with my web browser. So I changed it. I went to Indigo mode and things like that. And the only thing that really worked if you scroll down was this creator sign up page, and it came to here where you can put your name and how many and your channel, and if you hit continue, what happens is it'll ask you to log in with Google, and I thought that was a little bit strange, but if you hit continue, then it asks you to verify your account and things like that. And at this moment, I was a little bit fishy. I knew that something was up, and so it says verify your identity through Google, and if you hit next, it'll ask for your password and things like that. And so I'm like, it does have the protected sign there, are protected. And so I logged in, but nothing happened. And that's when I immediately knew that something's up. And so I quickly changed my password, and I realized that this is actually a scam of some sort, because it's not a real. There's basically and I replied, I was like, the link you gave me is fake. The real Aspire website is not this. It says mediaaspire.com, and the .com, it looks legit, but then some things were starting to click in my mind, because I got the email from bamboolab.manager. That sounds like okay, maybe, but the original email that's at the very top here is this one right here. It's Salvatore Vital 4,000 something. But originally, if you don't click on the name, it doesn't show you. But if you hover your mouse over that, and usually you would have a logo. If it was a real company, they would usually either have a logo here or a person's face image. And company emails, other thing that you can look at is the domain name. It says lirbio.it, and IT is a very cheap domain name that you can buy. And so basically some scammers bought a fake domain name called Media Aspire, because the real website is called aspire.io. And right here you can see it looks very similar to the original one, but these ones you can see you can actually click and log in. They give you It's a lot bigger website. And they also have a creator sign up here. If I hit creator sign up, it will load through here. And so I realized that this is some sort of scam to try to get your passwords. And so I went into my Google account to reset all my stuff, my password, and also log out all devices, because I did put in the password. So that was one of the things that was recommended, is to log out all of your devices. So right here, look, partner with top brands. This is more legit with Aspire. And then you see it says continue with Google, or enter any kind of other email, or sign in with a passkey. Whereas this one is just only giving you one option. So there's many things that you can look at to verify if something's a scam. Is you look at the domain name. This looks kind of legit, right? It's a .com, it's Aspire, but it has like media in the front, so that's a warning sign. And then the other real fire was these numbers after name and the domain here. Okay, it should be the same as the domain name. So in this case, it's Aspire, so it should be like aspire.com. And you can actually go to aspire.com and we can have a look at the contacts. So I'm going to go back here, and if we go down a legit website, I'm going to go back here, and they'll have a contact, like contact sales, for example. I'm going to have a look at the email and what a legit domain name would be. So, okay, it's not giving me an email. Contact us. Let me see here. Anyway, so I also looked at Bamboo Labs, and Bamboo Labs, if you go down to their contact, you can see that a correct domain name will be like the company name, bamboolab.com. And if I go down to contacts, contact us, you'll see that if you get an email from any kind of company, they will have the correct domain name. So here's a contacts and marketing at bamboolabs.com. And so this original email, I know it's not correct because of this right here. So those are just some things to be careful. I also sent an email to Bamboo Labs saying, hey, I received this. Is this you? So that's the other thing that you can do. They haven't replied to me, but I'm 100% sure that was a scam. So just be careful when you're out and about on the internet. You never know. These days they're always trying to scam you, and the best thing is just take your time when you're doing something new, and it doesn't hurt to double check and to ask. So one way that you can combat these kind of scammers that are creating fake web pages like this one right here, which is totally fake, is you can use the tool whois.com and put in the domain name. And so that's what I did. And you can see that this website domain name was made basically yesterday. And so that is a big warning sign. A big company will not have a domain name just made yesterday. So obviously they're making thousands of these websites and they're putting their scams on it. And it's hosted by the Global Domain Group Corporation. And so what I did is I sent an email to the abuse team there so that they can investigate that and shut them down. And so I made a quick email to them today just to warn them that they're I've said about this meeee@aspire.com is basically registered on this time, and that they can look into that and shut them down. So hopefully that's going to help out. And if you like tech videos, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.